is time zone 2, paper 2. So we've got the circles. Find the length of the arc. Alright, so just a reminder, arc length. Here we go. So length of arc is theta times r. So r is the radius, theta is the angle, but don't forget that the angle has to be in radians. Now this one already is, so this is just a straightforward 0.7 times 5, which is 3.5. Find the perimeter of the shaded sector, so we need to find the arc length plus these two lengths here, so that's 3.5 plus 10, which is 13.5 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded sector, so area, I snip that ready, is a half theta r squared, so again the theta has to be in radians, so that's a half times 0.7 times 5 squared. I don't know what that is, so 0.5 times 0.7 times 5 squared, 8.75. And that's obviously centimeters squared because it's area. Okay. 5 minus x squared. Okay, so to find these two intersecting points, I'd say the easiest thing would be, I mean, it's the difference of two squares, so this will be root 5 minus x and root 5 plus x. So our two values are going to be positive root 5 and negative root 5. You could have also said that it's going to be 0 equals 5 minus x squared. So x squared equals 5. So you get it that way as well. However you want to do it, there are your two solutions. So that's the exact answer, that's fine. Find the region enclosed when revolving at around 360. Okay, so it's 3 marks, so we probably should just show some work here. So we've got, so revolution, maybe remind you from the okay, here we go, volumes of revolution. Okay, so it's the integral between the two values. So we are integrating between root 2, oh, not root 2 at all, 5, sorry. Root 5 and negative root 5 of 5 minus x squared. Squared times pi. I'm going to bring pi to the front. Okay, so it's on the cap paper, so we can just do rough 9. So that's root 5 negative root 5 and brackets 5 minus x squared brackets. Okay, that's squared and dx. Okay, so that's just going to be the integral then we're going to have to multiply this by pi. So that's that, and then multiply by pi gives us 187.32, and so it's 187, and we don't know units. Okay, done. Okay, so regression line, so we're going to input data. So start clear list. List 2. $40, $75, $120. $3.6, $6.5. So stat calc number 4. Okay. Okay, I had the wrong numbers there, so I've just checked my data, that's all fine. I think it was when it went in here. Just make sure I had a frequency list value in here, so make sure there's nothing in there then. And here we go, so that's, I'm just going to snip it. You can write the actual values. Okay, write down what gradient A represents. So the gradient is the change in amount of fuel as the distance goes. So the amount of fuel required to travel each kilometre, something of that nature. Use the model to estimate the amount of fuel for 110 kilometres. Okay, so this is where we must use our equation. So you're going to substitute 110 into our equation. So we've got y equals 0.08236 times 110 plus 0.306. It's not minus at all, it's plus.